my kitchen. Today, y'all, our little grandbabies is coming over, and I thought I would get in here and make them a little goodie. That's what we're gonna say anyway. What I'm making today is something that I used to make for my children years ago, and you may know it as monkey bread, but back, I would say probably now about 19, 20 years ago, I seen a recipe from Paula Deen, and honey, her bread was not monkey bread, it is gorilla bread, and you're going to find out what makes this bread so good. But we have been cooking this, like I said, for many years. We have enjoyed it, and I thought I would share it with y'all. Just very few ingredients, because y'all know that's what I like. And I'm going to show you how I put this together real quick. This is great for brunches. It's great for just about anything, honey. It is just delicious. I've got my oven set at 350, and I went ahead and rolled out a few of these so y'all wouldn't have to watch me do all that nonsense. But I'm going to show you how I put it together and whip this little dish up. All right, y'all, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a caramel sauce to go over this. Just quick and easy, 1 stick of butter, and got my eye here hot and ready for it. Just gonna let that melt down just a second here. And I have 1 cup of just light brown brown sugar. So I'm gonna mix this in here. So 1 cup and 1 stick. Now when this melts down just a little bit, I'm gonna add my good old vanilla in it.
Where you get that vanilla?
I get that vanilla all the way from Mexico.
All right.
And when we run out,
yeah, what does that mean?
that means we get another cruise.
Yeah,
Time to take another cruise, y'all. We could probably very easily get it shipped to our house, but it's just not as much fun.
Exactly.
It's not as much fun. No, it is not. So we always, he'll ask me, how's our vanilla running?
Yeah.
How's it going? It is really some good stuff, y'all. It really is. All right, we're getting this melted up. Looking good. Now this little sauce we're just going to be pouring over everything, and y'all, it makes it so good. When this bakes up, oh, got that ooey and gooey goodness. Lord, it's some good stuff. All right, this is getting melted, getting happy. I'm going to go ahead and pour just a little capful in there. That's how we gonna measure that.
That will do.
Measure with your heart. Measure with your heart. All right. And you ain't gotta, boil it to a candy stage or nothing. We're just gonna melt this, because we're going to be baking it too. It is so good.
It's looking good, y'all.
It already smells good.
Yeah, it does.
Just that aroma, Lord, it smells good. Now, I'm just going to melt this, and I'm just going to put it to the side. That's all we're doing. Now, we are going to get the little biscuit balls rolled up. I'm going to show you how to do those. All right, I told you I've already started doing this just to save some time, because you don't need me to be over here rolling these little things out. Now, I have used just the pop biscuits out of the can. I did use the grands, and you do want to get the 10 count. So these were just like the flaky buttermilk or whatever, but you do want to stick with the 10 count because they're smaller, and you don't want the real big ones, because I've used them before, and it takes a little more to cook that up. So stick with the small ones. Now I get 2 cans of those, two rolls of those, so a total of 20 of the biscuits. Now I have already used some of this sugar, but you're going to mix a half a cup of just granulated sugar and 3 teaspoons of cinnamon. I'm just going to add just a little bit more, because I did put this in I sprinkle it on top. I'll show you what I do. All right, I'm gonna get this just real good and flavored up here. So it's just regular granulated sugar and some cinnamon. That is all you got there. Now, the goodness of this, this recipe, normally with monkey bread, you would just roll it up, roll them in sugar, do your thing. Well, this Gorilla bread, you're gonna just take your biscuits and just mash them out, just like so. Now, what makes it good? Some good old cream cheese. You're gonna just put a little bit of cream cheese in the middle here. Lordy Jesus. And I'm just gonna mash them all up while I'm doing. I like to do things in a pattern. Mash it up. Get that good old cream cheese. Y'all, when this melts inside this good old piece of dough, it turns into something absolutely wonderful. Now, on top of this, I'm just going to put just a little light sprinkle of this cinnamon sugar. Now you want to roll this up. Go just pinch it. Now you want to make sure this is sealed because you don't want all that cheesecake or that cream cheese coming out of there. You want to just roll it real good into a ball and just make sure that everything is sealed up and rolled up there. You don't want to be losing all that goodness out the middle, and it will ooze out if you don't. So just seal it real good, roll it around.
Don't be wasting that goodness.
Don't be wasting that goodness, honey. Don't do it. Don't do it. I did use one block of cream cheese. It's according to however much cream cheese you want in it, but I just used one block. So, and the other thing that we have is just some chopped pecans, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do with that. All right, we got these rolled up, ready to go. We're good there. Now, you can sprinkle this with sugar now and kind of roll them around, or you can do it in your pot. I think I'm gonna just sprinkle them a little bit right here. Get them rolled around. That's what we're gonna do. Want to get them just all happy. Here we go. And we can put the rest of this sugar in there. And I'm just going to roll them around.
Get all that goodness.
Get all that goodness. That's right. Goodness. All right. And we still have a little bit more of this sugar. And I did, like I said, a half a cup of just granulated sugar with 3 teaspoons of cinnamon. All right, I'm gonna wash my hands and then we're gonna layer it. All right, now don't miss this step. Now, I normally just Crisco my stuff and flour it down, but today we're gonna use a shortcut. We'll let Miss Pam do it for us. But you wanna spray this really good. Get all around the middle really well. This has already got your flour in it. But this is real important because you want this to flip out and do like it's supposed to, not be ugly.
Leave all that goodness in the pan.
Yes, goodness. All right, now we are just going to layer it. First, you're going to start with your nuts. So, I'm just going to do a little layer of pecans here. Get a little layer going. All right, now we're going to throw these in here, just no particular order. They're going to puff up, rise up, and do great things. Do great things. That's a little fella over there. All right, now we're going to take this caramel sauce and just drizzle it all around it. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And you want to split this up. Don't use it all on one layer there.
Get all that goodness.
All that goodness. And you can sprinkle just a little bit more sugar around the edges. All right, now we're going to go back in with some more nuts there. Sprinkle it all around. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And them nuts with that sauce, y'all, it makes it tastes like candied pecans. It's really good. So good. All right, then we're just gonna layer these all around. Here we go. Now we're gonna drizzle it with the rest of this. Look at that thick sauce there. Yummy. All right, then we're just gonna, I think it's got enough cinnamon sugar on. I ain't putting more of that in there. Lord, we ain't trying to do all that. All right. Just gonna top it with these nuts. Now I'm gonna bake it at 350 for 30 minutes. And then you just pull it out and you let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes before we flip it out. So here we go. This is what it looks like. She's going in, y'all.
Oh yeah.
All right, y'all, just got it out of the oven. It's been sitting now for about 10 minutes, and I have not lifted the top up. So you ready for this, Russell?
The big reveal.
I hope it's not stuck.
Drum roll, y'all. Drum roll.
I don't feel stuck.
It won't be in the video.
Oh.
Oh, it looks yummy.
You got a little bit of the goodness down here on the edge. Y'all. Woo.
Well, we can scrape that out.
Yeah, that's going right on top.
Yeah.
So, all there is to do now is taste it.
I'm ready for that.
Let's see what she tastes
My
like.
time to shine.
Your time to shine, baby. All right, y'all, it is time for a little taste. Come on, Russell. We've been smelling this, y'all. Our whole house smells
Hey, YouTube land.
delicious.
Hey, Dan. I ain't forgot about you, buddy.
Smelling good, ain't it?
Ooh-wee. Man.
Good stuff,
this
y'all.
stuff here,
Dangerous.
just the smell is like, oh my goodness.
It's dangerous.
Yeah, it is.
It's good.
It goes back a long way with us.
It really does. It really does. We've been doing this for a hot little minute.
Yeah.
Hot little minute. I think the first time I made it was like at Christmas, early Christmas morning.
Yeah, we flipped out over it too.
It was good.
Yeah,
Yes,
it was
we
delicious.
from the
Oh, my
get-go.
goodness. Yep.
This is good.
Yep.
But this is what you got. You know what
I
it
gotta give
tastes
it a
like.
try, y'all.
You know what it tastes like.
Ooh-wee. Look at that.
It's got that cream cheese in the middle,
melty.
y'all. It just hits different. It really does. Good stuff.
Y'all, let me just tell you, this ought to be illegal.
Yeah.
For real.
I done been sampling it, y'all.
Well, I can see why. This is absolutely delicious. Y'all, this is a winner. Give this one a try. I'm telling you, you will not regret it.
I got me a little picture of it whole, and I immediately started, I picked one off the top, and it is so good. It really is.
Y'all, that cream cheese.
The cream cheese.
Next level.
Yes.
It just takes it to the next level.
And that caramel sauce, it just, the nuts is just like
Caramelizes
candy
the
nuts.
nuts. Oh, I know.
Yes,
Yeah.
it is good.
Pairing it all together, y'all. I wish y'all was here. I'd share it.
We certainly would.
I would. Yeah, we gotta get rid of it.
We got grandbabies.
Yeah,
but
they'll love it.
Y'all, we got our number 7th.
Yeah.
Got our
He just
sweet
joined us.
little boy, little
Yep.
Stetson. So we've watched Little Brothers, and they love them some junk.
They do.
They love some junk.
I'm gonna tell you, they live on some junk food. Them boys.
They enjoy it.
They love it. They love it, and we indulge.
Yes,
we don't
do.
We don't have a problem helping them with that.
Yep,
As you can see.
Yes, all the little grandbabies, all our little sugar babies love
We've
some little
been
goodies.
taking care of the other two while Mama and Daddy and our new addition, Mr. Stetson, have been together at the hospital. So
Welcome, Stetson Gray.
yeah, I have enjoyed having the other two with
Yes.
us. And it hadn't done well for my waistline or.
I wish we could have them all at one
Rice
time.
Krispie
It's-
treats. I mean, it goes on
Yes.
and on and on. Anyway,
It does. But anyway, y'all, This is a good video, a good recipe.
Yeah.
And
it's gonna be a good video too.
Hopefully y'all will like the video. I do want to say that all of the recipes are in the description. Just click the more.
All you have to do is click on the description and scroll down, and it's right there.
It's right there.
Yep.
But anyway, thank y'all so much. If
we appreciate y'all watching.
If you haven't liked and subscribed,
please do.
Please
it's free. Don't cost you nothing.
Don't cost a dime, y'all.
It helps us out by doing it, and we appreciate the support.
It does, and just even if you're watching it, it helps.
Yeah.
But anyway, y'all, I hope you enjoy this. I hope you fix it for your little babies and your family.
Let us know if you do.
Let us know if you do. And until next time.